Happy New Year, dear patient, colleague, and fellow human. Whether you're a patient struggling with the health effects of nicotine or obesity, a doctor suffering from burnout, or a citizen smitten with animosity toward your fellow human, you're likely suffering from Dopa-Money, a 21st century neurosis that afflicts all of us to some degree. The antidote is to slow down, ask real questions about our health, our profession, our society, and our existence, and give real answers. What are these questions? What is freedom? Is happiness real? Is success true? Are they possible? What is respect? Do we really care? Are we living telling the whole truth? Are we only living on the surface of life, to die having never lived? Do your viewpoints, identities, and feelings make you free or a prisoner? Knowing we'll face darkness, why come to work tomorrow? These questions both strip us down to our essence and at the same time build us up. Your answers will differ, but to me, the answer to Dopa-Money is to live as much as possible in an enlightened flow state. We recognize that nothingness is the origin and destination of our material world, and this material can be arbitrary, dark, and meaningless. But that doesn't mean that our existence has to be this way. It is categorically different, post-material, electric, fleeting. This realization compels us to seize the day in a very real way, to live a better version of ourselves every moment. Live in an enlightened flow state, engaged in experience, but removed by 1 degree from the particulars of it, because the particulars are arbitrary and have no moral worth. Flow incorporates purpose, humility, curiosity, creativity, dialogue, and grit. We become aware that every facet of our existence is a dance of electricity in our heads, and we dance with it. We live at the interface between is and ought. We find that authenticity and effectiveness are not mutually exclusive. We find ourselves by losing ourselves. The perspective provided by letting go reveals that we have more control than we think. War and disease are caused by cycles, and we have the power to turn off the switch. Every moment is an opportunity to emancipate our world from suffering of all kinds. There's no difference between our world and ourselves. It is arbitrary which body you occupy. Every moment we live in answer to a question. Turn off the disease switch. We are all innocent, and we are all in this together. Stop fixating on fault, and stop fixating on fixes. They often don't exist, at least for back pain, says the spine surgeon. But every moment is an opportunity to grow and heal. Every moment is an opportunity to emancipate human beings from suffering of all kinds. Each of us has good reason to have faith in ourselves. Each of us, no matter who we are, has the power to make the world a better place. Live this power while you still have it. May your light continue to shine against all darkness.